The second thing that I do is stock market value investing. So I also invest in the stock market, but if it's for retirement, it's not trading. No? Kasi di ba iba yung trading sa investing. Trading, I buy now, pag tumaas, ibebenta ko, right? And then buy na naman ang iba. That's active trading, and I also do that. Pero aside from that, if we talk about retirement, right, I want to just accumulate. I just want to save money and invest it in this stock market, and then it will grow, no, right? Let's say 20 years from now. So let's say the game plan, now I'll just give you a number, let's say 100,000 a year. 10,000 a month, probably 100,000 a year. For the next 20 years, I'll be able to accumulate, savings pa lang ito, 2 million pesos. Right? So maliit yun dun sa 12 to 24 million that we computed earlier, but at least makakadagdag yun doon. Now, it's considering na hindi kumita. So let's say, possibly nag-double yung amount na to. So possibly it could grow to 4 million pesos in the next 20 years. So at least meron akong additional 4 million that can address to my own retirement fund. And naiintindihan ko na hindi kasya yon. Some people, dun na lang sila nag-invest. They just invest in stock market. Yun na yun. Akala nila okay na yun. But if you can really compute magkano yung meron kang retirement funding, o magkano yung kailangan mo for retirement, alam mong hindi enough. No, kung yun lang yung i-invest mo. 10,000 a month, it's not small, right? 100,000 a year, right? So iba yung trading, no? Iba yung trading. It's really actively doing that. And a lot of times you win, you can also lose. So pag minsan yung income sa active trading, you really want to spend that. Yung stock market value investing, you spend there, you invest in valuable companies that you will know na tatagal siya sa market, and you'll really grow, right? A lot of them will be probably in the index or somehow, border index company siya.